I personally feel the water filters have make water softer. My wife and I can see the difference. Above that, the shower head is awesome. Another thing I liked about is the water stopper they have provided within the box. You can still get good stream of water with stopper installed. The installation was breeze and had all the required parts within the box. Only thing required for me was ranch. It's early to tell, but so far it's been great. And it's a great deal too. Our water has way too much chlorine among other things causing dryness and itching. After using this, I can't remember the last time I felt so clean. Showers have increased in my household due 100% to this product. People complain about the amount of time they last, but I believe its longevity depends on the water going through it, not the quality of this product. Don't over tighten the head or it will leak. If it leaks, don't keep tightening it. Take it off, use more or new thread tape, and put it back on. I have been trying to think of anything to dislike about this the entire time the filter has been flushing. I got nothing. Even with a low pressure system and the filter behind the shower head, it increases the pressure even beyond a high flow shower head. I could feel the breeze from the cold water flush from the next room over. The entire setup came in a padded box with higher stability magnetic close box, a replacement head and 6 disposable shower caps. This is well worth the $45 and I would highly recommend this to anyone looking for more from their system.